Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit on CapCut, and here I'm using CapCut for PC. Anyway, I think CapCut is one of the best apps because we can do everything while editing videos in one app. So how to use CapCut to create a video easily for your setting or just for fun. Okay, after you downloaded the CapCut app, just open and you can click import to add some videos, photos or audios here, and just drag to make a clip like this, and you can check out the preview panel, timeline, and toolbar picture here. And we can doing to split the clip by this icon, and you can delete the clip, you can reverse the clip, mirror the clip, rotate the clip, crop the clip, resize the video, and you can also add audio, text, sticker, effect, transition, and many more you can getting from CapCut. So after finish editing the video, you can click the export button in the top right corner, and I think this video is especially for those who are using CapCut for video editing the first time. So if you find it useful, don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe, and you can click the next button for a fresh. Bye bye.